Can you pass me my book, please? It's the Hold Me Tight. It's okay. Okay. Hi, and thank you so much for tuning into Something from Josie, where you can discover how to make your relationship thrive. So today we'll be talking about emotional attachment. Now, we are attached to our partners in much the same way that a child is to a parent, for nurturing and protection. And a lot of times when we feel a connection is lost with our partners, we react in two different ways. One is avoiding the conflict, and the other is listening to our anxieties and acting out based on that. But reality is that when we slow down, a lot of other softer feelings arise, like shame, embarrassment, fear, guilt. And so it's important to take a step back and realize that a lot of times this loss of connection is just perceived. It's not like it's lost in reality, but your past experiences with either a parent or a past romantic partner has scarred you. And because of that, you perceive a loss of connection. And so communication with your partner is so crucial to ensure that you check in and make sure that connection is still there. The good news is that there is research that shows that with a loving partner, you can actually heal these vulnerabilities from your past. Now, for more on secure connection, there is this awesome book called Hold Me Tight by Dr. Sue Johnson. She is phenomenal. I'm gonna include the link below in the description, so please check it out. She has a lot of content out there on bonding and attachment and relationships. I really do think it would be a blessing to you. Now, here are some very basic principles to ensure that you keep a connection with your partner. Number one is be available. And that not only means be available with your time, but with your undivided attention. Number two is be responsive. Make eye contact, affirm. And number three is let them know that you value them, but maybe making a physical connection. Let them know that they made a good decision in confiding in you. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you can get more content like this. And if you feel blessed by this video, please ensure that you share so you can bless somebody else. And now I want to hear from you. What message did you get from your community or your parents about love and connection? Was trusting somebody else seen as a strength or as a weakness? I want to hear from you, so please answer in the comments below. And remember, in your imperfection, be kind. Transformation takes time.